On our second example now, we want to check out the aspect performance on a cold recycling job site. Okay, we also will check out the aspect performance now integrated on the WR250, because the WR250 is able to have two additional spray bars, or for example this foam bitumen spray bar plus the integrated aspect. Good, let's check out very quick our job site data. Now the working depth is 20 centimeter or 0.2 meters. Working width will be 2.4 meter, because the maximum working width of the WR250 is 2.4 meter. Binder, here we have to add 1% of cement. You see here already is the difference to our first example. We don't have now the kilograms per square meter we need to calculate the performance data. This is one point we have to calculate first, but we will do this in a second. Okay, density also important now. You see the density of the material which is there already, or our recycling package or existing pavement, for example. In our example will be 2.3 tons or 2,300 kilograms per cubic meter. And our working speed for this application will be approximately 6 meters per minute. Okay, as I told you already, now first we have to calculate these kilograms per square meter. I think it's easier to understand if you check out, for example, if you would have a cube which is really 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, okay? This is meaning we have a square or an area of 1 square meter. And you see, relation in between, the density. This is meaning a cube of 1 cubic meter is having a weight of 2,300 kilograms. Okay, 2,300 kilograms per cubic meter. This is our cube. Now we have to work 0.2 meter deep. Okay, times 0.2 meter. Okay, this is our working depth. Means or equals 2,300 times 0.2 is 460 kilograms per square meter. So per each square meter on our job site with a depth of 0.2 meter, we mix 460 kilograms of existing material. Now, and this is the important point, we have to add 1% of cement. What is this meaning? There always is a question where people ask me, hey Rudy, how is this related? Is this 1% related to volume or is it related to the mass? The easy and only right answer, it is always related to the mass. Okay, so then it is easy to see, exactly related to the mass we mix. We already calculated 460 kilograms per square meter we will mix. Okay, 1% out of it, really the 1% out of it means 1% out of this 460 kilograms per square meter equals 4.6 kilogram per square meter. What is this meaning? Now we know on each square meter we have to spread 4.6 kilograms. Okay, now let's talk about the spreading time. I think this is again the same we already made. What is the spreading time before we have to refill the S-pack? And to calculate this, I think this is very easy. Remember our working width. Let's check out first what we do every minute. We have a working width of 2.4 meter. Now times what is the speed of the machine? It's working with 6 meter per minute. This equals very quickly 2.4 times 6. So every minute this machine will do 14.4 square meter. Okay, This is what the WR250 is doing now. Now it is easy how many kilograms we have to spread every minute. This is 14.4 square meter per minute times, remember, 4.6 kilograms per square meter equals 4.4 times 4.6 equals approximately 66 kilogram per minute. Now our aspect spreads 66 kilogram per minute. Now it's easy. Remember what was the maximum payload of the aspect? It was approximately 5 tons or 5,000 kilograms. Now divided by 66, this is what we have to spread every minute, kilogram per minute. And this is, quick, here we go, 5,000 divided by 66 kilograms. This means 75 minutes. After 75 minutes, in this example, the aspect will be empty and we have to refill it with cement. Okay? Another question now also could be, what is about the area performance, how many square meters we already made in that time, and I think this is also an easy one. Now we know we can run the machine for 75 minutes, okay? 75 minutes times, remember we know every minute we can do 14.4 square meter. This equals, quick, 75 times 14.4. Yeah, this is 1,080 square meter. Okay, so after 75 minutes, we made approximately more than 1,000 square meters already. And the last question also could be how many meters we already moved with the machine. And I think this also is an easy one. Now we also know this machine is running for 75 minutes, and if it runs, okay, with a speed of 6 meter per minute times 6 meter per minute, okay, then this also will be 6 times 75, this is 450 meter. Okay, so end of the day on our cold recycling application with 1% cement, which is normal, okay, on the cold recycling application, for example, even with foam bitumen, we found out that we have to spread around about 4.6 kilogram per square meter. We can work with the machine, okay, around about 75 minutes, and this is meaning around about a little bit more than 1,000 square meter.